Banana peel and cornstarch will make you a 16-year-old girl. No matter how old you are, mix banana peel with cornstarch to get a white, wrinkle-free skin. We will need the peel of a banana. It can be any kind of banana. Wash the banana and peel and cut the banana peel into small slices. The banana peel contains vitamin C, which brightens the skin tone and removes pigmentation. Banana peels contain a high percentage of collagen, which slows the signs of aging. Now we can put the banana peel in a pan, then add a tablespoon of rice. The rice is interesting in this recipe because it cleanses the skin and fights the appearance of wrinkles. Add a cup of water to the pot. Put the ingredients to boil for about 10 minutes. Let the boiled ingredients cool slightly. Beat the ingredients well in a blender until a completely homogeneous mixture is obtained. Next, we will use our next ingredient, the cornstarch. This ingredient is important as it tightens sagging skin and lightens dark areas. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice. The lemon juice removes the darkening of the skin and even out the skin tone. Mix all the ingredients very well and add a teaspoon of powdered milk. Reserve this mixture in a container and store this mixture in the refrigerator. The shelf life of this mixture is 7 days in the refrigerator. If you made it this far,